Okay, I promised I'd take a picture of the new mom and her kitty. Hi, baby. You doing okay? Everything alright? See if I can get a zoom. There's the little baby there. Somewhere in that little blends good. You okay, baby? You're a good mama. You're doing great. There you have it. Wild stray. Can't pet her. Hey, giving them all kinds of neat stuff for moms. Cheddar, whipping cream, turkey friskies, premium dry, cream cheese. And if they want to eat up on the ledge where they're safe, it's all good. You're good, mama. You keep trying, alright? Yeah, you're doing good. Hang in there, okay? You can get a better picture of the kitten later. See you soon. Off to PetSmart. See y'all later.